Okay, now we're going to move on to the final question of this paper, which is a vectors question. Okay, so for part A, they want us to write OP in terms of A, C, and M. So I'm going to write down OP. So basically OP, right, is just simply equals to OC plus CP. Okay, here. OP equals to OC plus CP. Okay, so this would give us C plus M A minus C. And therefore the answer is M A plus 1 minus M C. Okay, so that is our answer. Sorry, M is a variable. Okay, plus 1 minus M C. Okay, so now they want us to show that O, P, and B lie on a straight line. Okay, so how do we do this? So we know that OB, okay, we're going to factorize out the 4 to prove that OP is parallel to OP. So OB is equals to 4. Okay, 4 M A plus 1 minus M C. With this is equals to 4 of OP, which is what we have found in part A. Okay, so therefore we can conclude that OB is, oh no, sorry, my pencil is, OB is parallel to OP. Okay, so therefore, since O is a common point, since O is a common point, O, B, and P lie on a straight line. Okay, and this is shown. Okay, now we're gonna do part 2. So part 2, they want us to find the value of M and the value of K. So M and K. Okay, so they give us the information that CB is equals to KA. So we're going to make use of that information. So what is CB? Let's go back to the question. CB is over here. Okay, so this is CB. So how do we find CB? CB is equals to OB minus OC. Okay, so let us find CB equals to OB minus OC. Okay, so this would be KA equals to 4. So all these are found above already. So this is what we found in parts, in part B part 1. So 4 MA plus 4, 1 minus M C minus C, because it's OC. Okay, so this would be simplify K equals to 4 MA plus 3 minus 4 M C. Okay, so now we're going to write it in the form of a simultaneous equation. Okay, so 3 minus 4M is equal to 0, whereby K is equals to 4M. Basically, you're just comparing the equations here. So this is this, and then this part is nothing because there isn't anything with a C. Okay, so this would be first equation, and this would be the second equation. Okay, so from 1, M is equals to 3/4. And then we sub it into the second equation because we want to find what is K. So therefore, K is equals to 3. So M is 3/4 and K is equals to 3. Okay. All right. Now down to the last part for part 3. Write down the ratio between CP and CA. So CP is over here, and this is CA. Okay, so let us write the ratio of CP is to CA. So CP is equals to 3/4 A minus C. And it is equals to 3/4 of CA. And hence, CP is to CA is simply 3:4. And that is our answer, 3:4. Okay, so we are done with this paper. Hope you guys found the recordings useful.